Welcome to week 12. So this week we start the reflection paper. This is the last paper for English 106 included in the portfolio, so you're almost there. Grading criteria can be found in the Unit 5 Revision and Portfolio tab, week 12 folder, and there's a lot of information there. Start with, when you write the reflection, start with 3 ways your writing has improved and 3 things to continue to work on. Then you want to narrow that down to 1 to 2 things for each. If you look at the grading criteria, everything's all spelled out there for you and exactly what to include. It should be 3 to 5 pages total. No documentation required. This is truly just a reflection. And it's due by Friday, April 12th at 5 o'clock. So it gives you a week to kind of work on all that. In the meantime, you have a journal due this Friday, which would be April 5th. And please update me on all the progress in the reflection paper. Any questions you might have about that. You should also update me on the progress of your revisions, because at this point you're revising the PSE and making sure like all the additional comments I made on your revisions are fixed for portfolio, because portfolio is the big one. You really want to make sure everything is in place. The grading criteria really guides you to make sure you have everything you need to pass portfolio. And then any portfolio questions you might have. There's a lot of information on how to start that too. The portfolio, you want to begin looking at the directions for creating a template. There are several documents included in the week 12 folder, a lot of stuff to assist you with that. There's a video, there's a step-by-step direction page. So that's something you want to start looking at. Maybe start getting the template ready, and then as you revise your essays and get them finalized, you can drop them into the portfolio. And looking ahead, next week the reflection paper is due by 5 o'clock on Friday, April 12th. You want to work on revising your PSE. You have that back. You have my comments on your revisions for those. And I'm working on grading your revisions for the LRE. You'll get those back soon. And the ARE. So in the meantime, work on creating the portfolio template and getting all that finalized. And remember, you do need to save process work for the ARE. So you need to have a rough draft or any other drafting that you did, any pre-writing. So make sure you're saving that in a separate folder too. So next week there'll be a little more direction on the portfolio, but you have pretty much everything you need this week if you want to start looking that over. And if you have any questions, please send me an email. Have a good week.